let's take a look at this polar coordinate 3 pi over 4, where our angle is in radians. Okay, so I have my beautiful polar coordinate system here. R is equal to 1, 2, and 3. In which quadrant is the polar coordinate 3 pi over 4? Well, since my denominator is 4, I can change this pi into 4 over 4 pi. And this pi over 2 needs a 2 here and that a 2, so that gives me 2 pi over 4. So if I change everything into 4, then you know right away I'm hoping that 3 pi over 4 is in quadrant 2. 3 pi over 4 is in quadrant 2, and the point is somewhere right here. Anything over 4 is a multiple of 45 degrees, so we are right here, 3 pi over 4. That is our point. Now we want to find equivalent points that may look different, but exactly in the same spot. And one way to do that is just to add 2 pi to it. So here this could be, instead of degrees, we have theta plus minus 2 pi. And here we have theta plus minus pi. Okay, so a little sidebar over here. 3 pi over 4 plus minus 2 pi, of course that needs to be changed to a denominator of 4. 3 pi over 4 plus minus 8 pi over 4. Okay, 3 pi over 4 plus 8 pi over 4. The first one would be 3 comma 11 pi over 4, and that makes sense, so I go 2 pi revolution, so here is 8 pi over 4 plus 3 is 11 pi over 4. And the second one would be 3 minus 8 pi over 4, so that's negative 5 pi over 4. Which is basically 5 pi over 4 is the clockwise angle. Here you go. That is 3 negative 5 pi over 4. Okay, now let me plot the point where I go in the opposite direction. So let me just make it a dashed line here. That point is negative 3 comma 3 pi over 4. Okay, so to end up back in my original point, you can clearly see, same color, different color, that I add 180 or pi to it, or I subtract and I end up at the same point. So plus pi or minus pi. Okay, little sidebar over here. 3 pi over 4 plus minus 4 pi over 4, which is 1 pi. And 3 plus 4 is, so my radius is now negative. 3 plus 4 is 7 pi over 4. That's one of them, and the other one is negative 3. 3 pi over 4 minus 4 pi over 4 is negative pi over 4. Here you go. That's how you find the other equivalent polar coordinates. That's it.